Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make grocery shopping in the Bolt Food app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bolt Food app. On the bottom, on the menu bar, you can see home, groceries, search, orders, profile, and so on. You have to tap on groceries. Here you can see the Bolt Market and the tobacco store. If you would like to have some cigarettes, you can order from here, but you can make groceries from Bolt Market. You can see some special offers with discounts. If you like some, tap on the plus. Fruits and vegetables, tap on plus. By kilogram, if you would like to have 2 kilograms from tomatoes, tap on plus, and this is it. Meat and fish, tap on all categories. Here you can choose from which category would you like to have the groceries. Let's say frozen products. Let's see them. Here you can see some frozen vegetables. Tap on it and tap on add. But you can easily add with this plus icon if you would like to. Then if you would like to order some bakery, you tap on it and you can choose from here which kind of bread or bakery product would you like to have. With the plus or with the minus, you can take out from your basket. Tap on view basket. And here you can see your groceries, your discounts, and your total price. And it will arrive in 25-30 minutes to me. I'm adding the 5th floor. And where should the order be left? At the door. If you would like to tip the courier, then tap on it. If you would like to not. And if you place order, then you ordered your groceries. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.